the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. That's what we're going to be talking about today, and we're going to do that in under 5 minutes. Now, I like photography and taking videos. It's a good way to hold on to memories, but you know, taking photos and videos in a much different way is quite interesting, and drone technology does exactly that. I mean, imagine getting a bird's eye view of your subject, or really any subject you want to take a video or photo of. That shit's pretty cool. Anyway, I digress. The DJI Mini 4 Pro drone is a drone, but it's not just any drone. The Mini 4 Pro weighs just under 249 grams, which means it's very lightweight. You can carry it around, no fuss, and you can bring it with you anywhere you want, or at least almost anywhere. Restrictions still apply. Now, in flight, the Mini 4 Pro should last you about 30-ish minutes of flight time, which I think is quite adequate, but you can get about 15 minutes more with the Intelligent Battery Plus. Now, let's say you ran out of battery. What do? You can either insert a USB-C cable into the drone itself, effectively charging the drone with the battery inside of it. If you don't want to do it that way, you can get a DJI battery charger pack, which is sold separately. The drone is also capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR, or 4K at 100 frames per second at slow-mo, no matter the orientation, landscape or vertical. The Mini 4 Pro also supports 10-bit D-Log-M, which gives you more flexibility for color grading and just overall improving your shots and footage. But how far away can you fly the drone with it streaming to your remote or phone? DJI advertises a maximum of 20 kilometers or 12 miles per hour, but of course that's with minimal environmental interference. That's a pretty long way out, but I doubt you'll have to go that far out anyway. Now, speaking of remotes, the Mini 4 Pro has two variations of its controller. We've got the DJI RC2, which has a built-in screen connected to the drone, or the DJI RC-N2, which requires the use of your cell phone for the drone to stream its feed to you. Now, the camera, the camera in the drone has a megapixel count of 48 megapixels with an aperture of 1.7 and has different modes of shooting still photos, including raw shooting. The drone also has obstacle sensing, which means it can avoid obstacles by itself in flight, even with Active Track 360. Active Track 360? What the hell is that?
Daddy, chill.
Well, it's a feature that lets the drone track you or whatever subject you want it to follow, and it can follow you or that object in various ways, if you want it to circle around you as it follows, or follow a certain pattern. Now, the drone is very beginner-friendly, and it is marketed towards beginners, but despite that, this little thing is actually pretty capable, so even professionals and seasoned drone pilots should still enjoy the Mini 4 Pro. Anyway, I believe that's about everything that you have to know about the DJI Mini 4 Pro under 5 minutes. At the moment, it's priced under $1,000, which should be relatively cheaper compared to other drones. Anyhow, I'm Tom, thanks for watching.